Good morning, boys and girls. Today's reading lesson is going to be more about nonfiction books, okay? And remember, a nonfiction book is a book that teaches us something about the world, which really means it's just a book of information, kind of like the science book that I read to you and you do the papers about. So what we're going to learn about today is how can we tell, what's one way we can tell that a book is a nonfiction book, right? So yesterday I used the examples of these two, right? I had my firefighter book, which taught us about firefighters, and my honeybee book that taught us about honeybees. Now, if we look through these pictures, we can tell that this book is a nonfiction book because if we look at the pictures, they look like pictures that somebody took with a camera, right? Or on a phone, right? They took with a camera and then they put them into this book. Okay, so books that have real life pictures, pictures of things that are really in the world, they're not drawings, those are usually nonfiction books. So you can tell that a book is nonfiction and will teach you something just by looking at the pictures and noticing that they're real pictures of real life things, okay? Like a picture that somebody took with a camera. That is one way we can tell, okay? And by looking at the pictures, it also teaches us something before we even read. Like this one teaches us that the firefighters use a hose to put out the fire. Now again, in the honeybee book is another one. We're looking through. These aren't drawings of honeybees. These are real life pictures that somebody took with a camera of honeybees. And this whole book is going to teach me about them. Okay, so that is one way that I can tell that a book is nonfiction. Okay, so today what I'd like you to do is to log on to your Raz Kids and go into your Level Up section. And when you come up with all of those books in your Level Up section, you're going to be looking at the covers of the book because that's what you see at first. And you're going to be looking for real life pictures, not drawings, not cartoons. You want to look for the books that have real life pictures. And once you find them, I want you to write down the title, right? So the title is on the cover of the book. So this title of this one is Firefighters. The title of this one is Honeybees. Okay, so I want you to write down the title of the books, two of them, that you find that are nonfiction. Once you do that, then I want you to choose one of those books to read and think about what that book is teaching you about, okay? So you're going to look for two nonfiction books in your Raz Kids, write down their titles, and then read one of them. Now remember, when you're reading, use the pictures to help you, use your sight words to help you, and use your letter sound power, right? So if I'm looking here, on this page, and this is teaching me all about the things that firefighters do. I know this word says he because that's my sight word. And then if I look here, that word starts with a t, t, t. He, t, t. And I'm gonna look. Looks like he's on a walkie-talkie. What would he be doing with a walkie-talkie? He talks. He's talking. He talks makes sense for that page because I used my sight word, my letter sound power, and my picture power. So use all those amazing tools that we learned about reading regular books, and you're still going to use them when you're looking at nonfiction books. Okay? So go find me some nonfiction books, write down those titles, and read one of them. All right? And make sure you're looking for pictures that look like somebody took them with a real camera and didn't draw them with a pencil. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you soon. Bye.